If you are a developer, a tech startup entrepreneur, an engineer, or a hacker, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, I am Bani, your go-to AI agent builder from TARS. And today's agent is for all you hacker news enthusiasts out there who love staying on top of the latest tech discussions but don't have the time to dig through all the articles. I'm going to show you how to create your very own Hacker News AI agent that will automatically summarize the top stories for you and provide details as needed. It will take you less than 10 seconds to make this agent. So let's dive in. To find this agent, just search for Hacker News Digest by TARS, and the first search result should be the agent. So let's see how it works.
Hey there, I'm Lewis. I scan trending discussions on Hacker News and deliver concise, structured summaries so you can stay updated without scrolling through endless comment threads. How it works. I'll show you a list of the most talked about Hacker News discussions. You pick the topics you want a summary on. I'll break down key insights, top voted comments, and expert takes. Let's get started. Do you want today's top Hacker News discussions?
Yes, I do.
Here are the top trending discussions on Hacker News right now.
So in the first step, Lewis has already summarized all the articles, and now it's up to me to select which topics I want more details on. So I'll just say 7. And there we go. It has given me a nice summary of this, and it's also asking if I want another summary or a deeper breakdown of this discussion. So now that you've seen the agent, let's talk about making it. To make this agent, you need a TARS account. So go to hellotars.com and sign up for free. Once you log in, head into the TARS dashboard and click the Create New button. Click Create from Scratch and give your agent a name. And press Create. You'll land on a blank canvas, which we'll turn into a workflow for your agent. We'll begin by clicking this Add a Gambit button. If you're new to Gambits, check out the video below to learn more about what Gambits are and about all the different types of Gambits offered in the TARS no-code builder. Now let's double check if this is a basic gambit by clicking this button. Yes, it is. Now we can name the gambit. I'm going to name it welcome_user. And now I can begin adding the messages that the agent should give when the user lands on the agent. So I'm going to call this agent Lewis, and the first few messages should be about Lewis introducing himself and his role. So let's do that. Now the messages are complete, I'll choose the type of input that the user should give by clicking this blue button or the text button over here. By default, this is set to text, meaning that the user can type something to respond to Lewis's message. But since the next gambit is an AI agent gambit, I'm going to choose no input as the user input. Click Save. And we've completed the first step. Now we'll add another gambit by clicking this button again. And yes, this is going to be an AI agent gambit. So I'll select AI agent from this drop-down menu. I'm going to name this agent hacker_news_AI. Before doing anything else, I'll head to the default messages section and delete everything. Then I'll go back to the settings and scroll down to choose my LLM model. I'll go with GPT-4o, but Claude works really well too. Now, the function of this agent is pretty straightforward. It just needs to scan the latest articles on Hacker News and provide a summary. But the agent needs tools to access that information. So, I'm going to save this gambit and attach some tools. We have covered how to add tools in our previous AI agent videos, so I'll just give you a quick summary this time. For any tool, all you need is an API key. Just go to admin.hellotars.com/AI/tools and find the tool that you're looking for, or you can even create a new one. All you have to do is insert the API key over here, save the tool, and refresh your Tars no-code builder page for the new tool to show up on your account. Now let's go back to the builder and we'll continue adding tools to our agent. We are going to add two tools, Firecrawl and Exa. I'll explain what they do as we go along. First, I'll click this Add a Gambit button again. In the drop-down menu, I'm going to choose Tool. And here, I will select Firecrawl, which is a simple tool that allows the agent to read from a URL. Just save this and connect it to the AI agent Gambit like this. Then I'll follow the same process to add another tool. I'm going to select Exa, which is a search tool that allows the agent to conduct searches on search engines. Click Save and I'll connect it to the AI agent Gambit just like before. Now we've equipped our agent with tools, but it still doesn't know what to do with them. So we're going to go back to the AI agent Gambit and edit the base prompt. The base prompt is a set of clear-cut instructions that tell the agent how to function and how to use the tools. So I have a prompt already ready for this agent, and I'll just remove the default prompt and add my custom prompt in. Let's take a look at the prompt that I have given. First, I've told the agent who it is and what its role is. Then, I have given it a foolproof step-by-step process to achieve its goal. I've also mentioned how to use the tools. In the first step, it uses Exa and Firecrawl to extract the top trending headlines from the Hacker News and presents a one-line summary of each article to the user. Then it asks the user which articles they want more details on. After that, it presents the summary to the user and asks more helpful questions like if they want a simpler explanation. With this prompt, there is no ambiguity in the agent's scope of work. Of course, you can customize the prompt to make the agent behave the way you want it to. For example, you might want shorter summaries, or maybe you want it to get information from other sources as well. So it's all up to you. Now I'll save this prompt and let's connect the workflow. We'll connect the AI agent Gambit back to itself so the conversation keeps on going within this Gambit. And our workflow is complete. Now we can head into the design section and change the look and feel of our agent. There are a ton of themes to choose from. So I'll just stick with the basic one and I'll head into the custom tab to make even more changes, such as changing the name of the AI agent or uploading a logo, changing the font and the font colors. It's all up to you. Before you move out of this section, make sure you save your changes. And now we can click Publish and open the agent in a new tab to test it and see how it works.
Hey there, I'm Lewis. I'll deliver the most recent Hacker News articles. I'll show you a list of the most talked about Hacker News discussions. You pick the topics you want a summary on. I'll break down key insights, top voted comments, and expert takes. Let's get started. Do you want today's top Hacker News discussions?
Yes.
Here are the top trending discussions on Hacker News right now. 1. TLS
I am going to choose number 7 for this example. And there you go. Mission accomplished. And that is it for this walkthrough. I hope that you found this video useful and that you'll be able to make this agent for yourself and save tons of time while staying updated with everything going on in the tech world. Let me know in the comments which agent I should make for you next. Happy automating!